It looks like the Bitcoin bears have stolen the show. The crypto markets are in red. But if you watched the episode on Sunday night where we talked about the Bitcoin weekly close, I gave you guys this particular scenario, and it looks like, in fact, our target 2 may end up playing out this week. Either way, on today's show, I've got a lot of news stories for you, and one very bullish case for Bitcoin if it does get approved, as well as where Bitcoin could go. Let's get into it. Welcome back to the O Show, everything crypto every day. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and set alerts. And if you want to even further support me, you can go ahead and use my ref link for Market Cipher or Voyager. If you sign up to Voyager, you deposit $100, they will give you $25 in free Bitcoin. Anyways, let's get into the news and talk about what the heck is going on with Bitcoin. Before we talk about Bitcoin and the news, I want to take a second to highlight an amazing project called Note Blockchain. And they've actually been around for a while. The founder is a good friend of mine. I've actually met him at different meetups I've hosted in Southern California. And the project is actually fully launched and they have a working product. And if you like to be on social media, this is a project for you. So Note Blockchain allows you to post different pictures on social media, and it is completely decentralized and censorship resistant, which I think is really, really cool and goes along with the ethos of Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. Another great thing about Note Blockchain is you get to earn rewards by posting. They have a built-in tipping mechanism. I've actually used this platform for quite some time, and I think it's absolutely amazing. Yes, I have not posted in a minute or two, but another really cool thing about it is all your posts disappear within 24 to 48 hours, which is great because if you're like somebody I know who likes to drink too much red wine on Saturday nights, this is an app for you. I think it's a lot of fun and it's pretty interactive. Twitter's great, but at the same time, there's a lot of censorship going on and you can't tip people. But with Note Blockchain, you can, and it's pretty interactive. And I feel like it's a lot easier to meet with different people, especially in crypto in the space. Either way, let's talk about some more important aspects of the project. So the app is a service layer on top of a decentralized POW blockchain. So Note Blockchain is a POW, proof of work. It is a mineable coin. And it is designed to be easy to use for the average consumer. No technical or even crypto knowledge needed. And they're 100% right. You don't need to have a wallet. You don't need to have those private keys. It works very well and very, very seamlessly. Super easy to use. You're actually using a social media platform that is built utilizing cryptocurrency and blockchain technology, but you don't even know. It is absolutely amazing. And you get to earn passive income as well. And again, you do not have to buy any crypto to get started. You just sign up for free and you can go ahead and actually earn cryptocurrency if you post really banging content. Some other facts about this. Earn crypto right from the platform. So there's no need for creators to sign up. You basically post and people can tip you. It's kind of like Patreon, but it's even easier. And you don't have to KYC the last time I checked. Either way, you can tip what you want and there's no monthly subscription. And you can even go ahead and buy some Note to go ahead and tip people if that's something they're interested in, or just use the tips that you've gotten. Again, posts are deleted after 1 to 2 days. And again, it is completely self-funded by the founder. I think it is an absolutely great project. You can download it both on Google or iOS. It's free. I recommend you do it just for fun. And they've got a lot of really cool things coming in the future. And they will be utilizing secure desktop and web wallets. But if you don't want to do that, you don't need to. All your cryptocurrency could be stored on the app. Again, it's super easy to use. This next story is from Be in Crypto. Fidelity and Goldman Sachs file for Bitcoin ETFs with SEC. So there has been many Bitcoin ETFs that have been filed, and a lot of them got denied. But it looks like we've got the big dogs from Goldman Sachs and Fidelity signing up for these. So maybe this time around we have a chance to get it approved. The most important thing about this is that Goldman Sachs filed the application on March 19th, while Fidelity filed a few days later on March 24th. So the fact that we've got these two names, big names in traditional finance that want to get an ETF, we'll see if it gets passed this time by the SEC. Comment your thoughts below and let me know what you think. All right, this is a very bullish case for cryptocurrency and the markets, because the markets aren't doing too hot. So cryptocurrency investments with stimulus checks surge in the United States. In brief, from Be in Crypto, approximately 7% of Americans have used their stimulus checks to buy Bitcoin, Ethereum. Over 50% said they were interested in buying crypto with the latest checks. This comes as the average number of users in the market growing considerably. So this is great. So 7% of Americans use their stimulus check or part of it to buy Bitcoin and Ethereum. I think that's absolutely amazing. As far as the demographic goes, this article really doesn't tell me who is buying it or what age group it is. It's just saying it was done from a study of about 1,000 Americans aged 18 and over. I would have a hinkling that it is from people that are in our age group, people that are generally 18 to 40 years old. Maybe people that are at home with mom and dad, which that's totally fine too. If I was still able to live at home with my mom, I would, to save that money. But this is good, and this is actually positive for the future. So even though the markets are slightly down today, this is bullish long term because we have more people getting excited and investing in Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. Please make sure to not use Robinhood. Use a platform like Voyager because you cannot remove your cryptocurrency from Robinhood because they don't support digital wallets. Let's talk Bitcoin price action because she is on an absolute tear right now. Again, if you watched my Sunday night live stream, you would know where we were heading. We completed a top. The top was created here about $55,000. And I told you guys yesterday, I believe it was, unless we're able to really stay above $54,000, we would continue to drop. Or I might even have said retested $57,000. I closed my short because we had that high spike, and I would have gotten, I believe I would have gotten my stop hit and I would have lost money. So I closed with about 16% profit, which was nice. Either way, Bitcoin is bearish. The market cipher did not save us yesterday. We actually broke below this trend line here at $53,375. We're actually below target one now at 51.2, and it's looking like we are probably going to hit 48,000 to about $45,238. Right now, this is what the scenario is looking like. Unless we can strongly reclaim 51.2, I think we're going to head down to our target 2 area. And realistically, you guys, this is only a 27% correction. Not too bad. We may get a wick that comes down even lower, possibly to this area here at about $40,000. I'm not saying that's going to happen. That would be an area I'd be interested in looking at just because we have this swing high here that was built on January 8th. But overall, this is what I would look for Bitcoin. And again, I've got these trend lines here to kind of show where price could go. This scenario of reaching target 2 in this range would be invalidated if we were able to claim $52,000 today. Right now, it is not looking too hot. So if you are invested in Bitcoin, if you're just holding, don't worry about it. If you're in a position, manage your position if you're using leverage. And if you're in alts, manage your positions accordingly because we could get some more volatility. And realistically, even if we were to get this, let me see if I can pull it down without pulling anything else. Nope, it's not going to work. Here we go. Even if realistically, if we get down to this 34% correction, about $40,000, I wouldn't be too terribly worried. It would be more than fine for me because essentially, well, would we still be in an uptrend? We'd kind of still be in an uptrend. Either way, I'm not too worried about prices, and these would be your target areas. Oh boy, Elon Musk is an American poet yet again. So Elon Musk, we talked about yesterday, Tesla is now accepting Bitcoin for purchase of Teslas, and they're not going to convert their Bitcoin to fiat. They're going to hold on to it. So now Elon Musk is now tweeting again. After Dogecoin, Elon Musk now teases DeFi proponents. So he put out a tweet that said, "Don't defy DeFi." And of course, Justin Sun's got to go ahead and, comment on it, and other people as well. But anyways, DeFi is not to be messed with. DeFi is going to be here to stay. Yes, there is a lot of risky stuff going on with DeFi, but if you invest in the right stuff, I think you will be okay. Either way, I think that it's funny that Elon Musk is continuously trolling Bitcoin maximalists, Dogecoin people, everybody in general. He is literally a billionaire just having fun. The fancy suits are at it again. Billionaire investor Ray Dailo. Bitcoin bans a good probability. The founder of Bridgewater Associates suggested there was a good probability that Bitcoin would be banned by governments. In the brief in this article from Decrypt, he's basically saying that Bitcoin is going to get banned. I think he's completely full of it. He's pulling a Peter Schiff and just trying to chase clout here. In India, the government has already considered banning Bitcoin. Well, no, India's got their own novella, and novella in Spanish means like drama, and they've got these little sitcoms here. Well, India's got their own sitcoms, and the way their government is running is like a sitcom, because every other week they talk about banning Bitcoin or whatnot. And I really hope that stops, because to all my Indian brothers and sisters, I support you guys, and I want you guys to have the best quality of life. Either way, Ray Dailo is just trying to stay relevant, and I don't really care if he's a billionaire, and his opinion really holds no weight, because they're not going to ban Bitcoin. There's no way. And if they do decide to, it's just going to be a full-on fight. And one other thing to note, Bitcoin was also said by the SEC to not be considered a security. Bitcoin and Ethereum and all the other cryptocurrencies could be classified as a security, but not Bitcoin and Ethereum. So, Ray Dalio, get out of here. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great rest of your day. Please trade safe and plan accordingly. Bye-bye.